numbers for Felix on the season. Again, Felix starting to mix in his curveball, getting away from his changeup a little bit more, and he's pitched better, as David mentioned, in his last 2 outings.
Payoff pitch here to get us going. Strike 3 called. Knopf is gone. 1-2. Swing and a miss. Tag applied by Olivo. Saltalamacchia is gone. The world of baseball, and plus Will has really been getting it done. Felix dismisses him with a breaking ball. Swing and a miss.
A couple of those fastballs early in counts, but Felix is back on his game. Wow.
Yes, he is. Paints that corner again. That's strikeout number 4. 2 down here in the 3rd. Felix in the wind. The pitch to Ortiz. Strike 3. He's gone. Felix with 5 strikeouts. Here's the 1-2 to Gonzalez. Struck him out. Half a dozen strikeouts for Felix Hernandez. We're in the 4th inning. 2 down. 2-2. Strike 3 call.
Great pitch.
7 strikeouts for Felix Hernandez. Swing and a miss. Ryan Kalish is gone. Strikeout number 8. We're in the 5th inning. 0-2. Add Pedroia to the list. That's number 9 to Middlebrooks. Breaking ball held on by Olivo. Middlebrooks is gone. 10 strikeouts for Felix Hernandez. Any outs acceptable? They would be delighted with the strikeout. 3-2 pitch. Hey, struck him out, number 11.
Yeah, right now.
There's strikeout number 12. Payoff pitch to Pedroia. He struck him out. Strikeout number 13. And that ties Felix's career best. Last time he did it was at San Diego last May 22nd.
And nothing fancy here. Just comes back with a good fastball down the middle of the plate as Pedroia is late and swings through it.
A soft line to the first and struck out. Popped it up. Gonna get out of it. Ackley, Ryan, somebody, anybody. Ackley's got it. Felix, 9 innings, 13 strikeouts, escapes a 2-on possibility here in the 9th, and the Mariners with a chance to win it in regulation.